we are back in Boston. I feel like I left the kitchen a little bit of a mess. I just screwed up big time. This is my CRZ Yoga outfit. Back to burn. Hey friends, we are back in Boston and I just picked up my little girl. I missed her so much and I was so worried about her, but she was safe and well where we left her, thank goodness. I just grabbed a coffee. I was planning to get decaf, but I had still from the time before with one shot of espresso. So I got it that way. I'm kind of excited because it was really delicious. I also had got it with coffee milk, which I didn't remember doing. So I didn't mean to do that, but it's delicious. But I am trying to cut back now. I gained weight on vacation, which I'm so annoyed about. I'm really shocked. I think I should probably drive home and I can tell you the story in my drive-by. Holly has been very unsettled since we got home, trying to reacquaint herself with the house. She's been pacing around, kind of going in circles, the poor girl. She definitely didn't greet me the way that I'm used to. She usually runs up to me, and this time she really had to sniff to like confirm that it was me. So that was definitely different. It made me really sad, but that's just how she is now. She's still our girl and we love her so much. All right, it's time to get serious about getting reset. I already put my laundry in from the trip, all the stuff that's like normal hang dry type stuff. I'm gonna do a load of towels now. I had a couple towels that I brought, like quick drying, my sand cloud, and then a quick dry towel that I have. I also didn't do, normally I do the towels on Sunday, and so we left Saturday, so I didn't do that. So I'm so distracted by my poor pup stumbling around. I think she's hungry, but it's not dinner time. Also, I feel like I left the kitchen a little bit of a mess, but I also feel like I'm probably super dehydrated. I don't think I got properly hydrated on my trip just from it being really hot there. So I'm gonna grab just the first thing coming out is this Ultima cherry pomegranate. God, she's like barking, but I think it's because she wants food, but it's not food time. All right, got my towel, laundry ready to go. There's my suitcase kind of exploding on the floor, but these are all clean clothes, believe it or not, that I didn't wear. I'm not really that shocked. I did wear these outfits briefly. That's a squished blueberry, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna put laundry in. Put the laundry in. Probably clean this off first because it will be pretty easy and it'll make me feel a lot better just to like have this nice and orderly. Also tidy this table as well. And then once that's done, I can start unpacking my suitcase. Like a lot of that stuff can just be put away pretty easily. It's 11:46. I also should eat something at some point. I actually should eat something sooner than later, but I'm like not feeling hungry and I don't really want to force myself right now because I kind of just want to get stuff done. And I'm gonna go to the gym for 4 or whatever time it is, 4:15. I decided not to go this morning because I had to pick Holly up and it just like the timing just didn't jive in terms of when I would have had to wake up and everything. So all right, let's get moving. Although I could have picked her up for noon, which I found out, so that actually would have worked better than I thought. All right, so we're gonna switch what's in here. We're gonna pop it in the dryer quickly. Okay, I usually put it on bedding, but bedding doesn't allow you to do a high spin. So I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna like probably do the same heat setting and soil setting. So I'm gonna just do normal. Actually, that kind of looks good. I also like to do this OxyClean. I know you can get the powder, but I felt like the powder was leaving powder behind. You guys, I just screwed up big time. I left the dryer running on like high with my bathing suit and stuff in it, which I normally would never leave to actually dry in the dryer because it breaks down the elastic. So I just rescued everything. I'm gonna try to lay it out and see what's actually dry now. Kitchen is looking much better, yay. Actually, I didn't do the kitchen table yet, but I'm actually hungry now. So now that the countertop is clean, I feel that I can eat. My hair is crazy, but I'm going to the gym still. It's 12:33. So I just watched a Live Fit vlog while I was cleaning, which was fun. I really enjoy watching her content. Yeah, I really need to eat something though, because all of a sudden I'm like starving. I'm gonna have a honey mustard chicken bowl from Top Plate for lunch. I just took a nap because I did not get enough sleep last night. Holly won't stop barking. I think she wants dinner, but it's not dinner time. I'm getting ready for burn. It's about 3:30. I need to leave in a few minutes, maybe like 15 minutes. So I will take her out just in case, but let me show you the fit. This is my CRZ Yoga outfit that I brought on my trip but didn't end up wearing. Each piece is like $20 from Amazon and I love it. We have cardio today, which I'm not super excited about just because my energy level is not there. I also normally don't work out in the afternoon, so that's tricky. But I'm gonna show up. Even if I half-ass it, it's better than not going at all. So at least I have a cute outfit, which makes me happy. And with the burn tank. Dang, my car really says 100 degrees. Back to burn. Back home, having a Oreo protein shake. Oh, that is not as thick as I was hoping for. Oh well. I really was hoping that would be really thick. Okay, I need to shower. I know I just made this shake. I'm gonna drink part of it, but I need to get in the shower because I usually meditate on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. virtually. So, all right, I'm putting my cup in a cup to keep it colder. So good. I got that dark cocoa before my trip, and I used that to make it more Oreo flavored. It's really good. I just do, so it's technically like cookies and cream protein, but it's actually not that cookie and cream tasting. So I did that with 8 ounces of Fairlife milk. So a scoop of protein, Fairlife milk, probably like up to the 10 ounce mark of my cup of ice. Maybe I should have done more than that. I did a little bit of water. Today I did collagen and creatine just to boost it up even more. I did 1 chocolate sandwich cookie to really boost that Oreo flavor, and then also 2 tablespoons of the dark cocoa, and it really does taste kind of like Oreo-ish, which is quite delicious. I should really use my Ninja Creamy to make ice cream like that, but I do need to shower. I don't know if I'm like, yeah, I think I'm gonna wash my hair because it's kind of yucky. Even though I'm gonna be working out first thing tomorrow morning, but it's strength tomorrow, so I may not get as sweaty, so might as well. It's that time of day where we charge the devices. Dinner. Nothing fancy. I just have all these frozen meals in my freezer, and I kind of want to like go through them because they're mostly from the school year. And I feel like I just want to eat them and then sort of like start fresh next school year. Like I have a bunch of top plate meals in there and stuff, and I just feel like some of them have been there for a while. I know frozen stuff is supposed to last a while, but some of it's like a little frosty, and I don't know. So I'm gonna probably focus on eating those for the next couple of weeks. Well, I'm getting ready for my meditation. Sometimes I go straight to bed after, but I probably won't this time because I still haven't watched the 50th day of the 50 States with Ryan Trahan and Haley Pham. So I will probably watch that after because I'm dying to see. And I also realized I didn't do my Duolingo yet, but I think I had a pretty productive day resetting after vacation. Got a lot of laundry and cleaning done, went back to the gym, good stuff. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, but thank you so much for watching and following along the daily vlogs. I really hope you've been enjoying. I've been enjoying connecting with you all, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye.